Here's Beckham. Hi, Mila. Just leave it on the table where it is, everybody.
What's the name of this farm again, honey?
Phrase.
Phrase farm at Tukina Hianin kan tute then breakfast ay turin kan local.
That's a direct. You can't move it.
But yeah, that's for.
They've put this for here for a reason. They want to decorate the way they want it.
Hi, baby. Okay, you want to go sit in those chairs? Let's go check out those chairs. Come here. Come here. Down here. Hey, hey, hey. Right here. Down here. What do you think about that? Hindi mo niya, hey, mani kan kan local to. Don't fall down, okay? But careful. Kan khua hi vật điệu to hay in thuam lum ngai to riêng à chuan in korlum ha ka ngai ve to a vo in a hian an hong to na vo in zana mel zanga kalturan nei ni. You going home tonight, baby? Okay, let's go back. Okay, jump down. Okay, we're gonna go get coffee. They already went in there. Come, let's go. What do you think? You like that chair? Oh, you got something on your... Okay. Okay, we gotta go in, but yeah. Okay. Don't fall, don't fall. Oh! Okay. Okay, give me a sweet smile. Give me a sweet smile. Oh.
Yeah, she was fantastic.
Yes.
There was one child that cried.
Okay, one more sweet smile.
Yeah, the whole
Okay. Oh, we'll fix it once we get inside. Tuk ayan til ti pwede turan na ya. Yat sel ten nei don alive bed ten nei don na hila yanin. This is good.
Just, can you enjoy what we were talking about buying more? Dad, this is yours.
Cafe Mocha.
Oh, but it's sort of cool. Can you take a picture, Megan? Oh, is this yours, Rod? Is this yours, Rod? Oh, this is yours. No, is that yours? This is mine. Okay, so your mom's is left. Okay.
That's Mama.
That's Daddy.
And the biscuit.
Okay, what you guys doing? Oh, look at the pretty flowers. Van mooi weer.
That's Mama's.
Hi, Dada.
You ready? Wait, can you take a picture of me, Addie?
Well, I'm gonna miss you guys. You're going home
Okay, Addie.
today.
Yeah.
Smile to Daddy. Ready? Ready? Say
Cheese! Addie!
Look at Daddy and say cheese.
Hi, baby. Look at all the pumpkins. Oh, baby, no. Don't touch it. No. No. Okay, you can take a look, but don't touch it, okay? No touching. Okay. Mila, come back here, baby. This way. Oh, let me see you. Come here. Closer here, right next to the pumpkin here. Next to the pumpkin here. Okay, don't touch the pumpkin. I need the sweet smile. Pumpkins. Mila, don't touch it, okay, baby? That's basil. Oh, you know, that's basil. You're so smart.
Yeah, I like to eat them.
Yeah.
We
You can,
eat 'em?
yeah, How about this one? This is mint.
Ew, wait a minute.
Yeah. Try that.
It's like gum. Like a
Oh. Those are nuts. Oh, let's take some home.
Don't fall.
Tu tên nòm anh tên lẽ mẹ văn nòm em. Why are you crying, Addie? Oh, you want your dada? Back. My Mila Boo. My Mila Boo. Oh, look at all the wood. The firewood. The pile. Don't. Careful, okay? You can fall down. I don't want you climbing up on there. What you doing? Addie always want daddy. Oh, you almost eat all your Cheetos, right? Almost all gone. Did you eat all your crackers in the car? You did, right? Yeah. Hi, Beckham. Mr. Beckham. Uh-huh. Oh, he wants it by himself. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, that was good.
You did very good. Oh.
Hey, Mila.
Woo!
He said more, please. Where's Mila? Over by the hay? Oh,
She's down there. Where the?
Mila, we're not supposed to climb on that. Please get down. I'm gonna get you though.
Run, Mila! One, two. Say back. 1. Oh! Woo!
Whoa! Help you. I help you.
You gonna try to get up on top? Almost. One more. Almost. You're on top. Almost on top.
Addie's ready.
There you go.
Go like this, Mila.
Yay. Can you stand up? Yay.
Can you get one of Beck and I?
Cheese. Smile, say cheese. Ready? I'm Mama's back. Mama's gonna get you.